Hello, today we're going to talk about BRICS, its members, and its partner countries. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. What is BRICS?
BRICS is a group of five major economies: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These countries work together to address global challenges, including trade, development, and finance. They represent some of the world's fastest growing economies.
Why are these countries in a group?
These countries are large and influential, but they often feel underrepresented in global organizations like the United Nations or the International Monetary Fund, IMF. By working together, they aim to increase their influence and create a fairer global system.
Are there only 5 countries in BRICS?
No, BRICS has expanded recently. As of January 2025, four new members have joined: Egypt, Iran, Ethiopia, and the United Arab Emirates, UAE. This expanded group is often called BRICS Plus.
Why did these new countries join BRICS?
These countries joined because they share similar goals with the original BRICS members. They want to promote economic cooperation, reduce reliance on the US dollar, and have a stronger voice in global politics.
What does BRICS Plus mean for the world?
BRICS Plus is now a powerful bloc, representing 45% of the world's population and about 35% of the global economy. This expansion gives the group more political and economic influence in global affairs.
Does BRICS have partner countries?
Yes, BRICS often invites other developing nations to join discussions at summits. These partnerships help BRICS countries strengthen their ties with regions like Africa, South America, and Asia.
What are the main goals of BRICS Plus?
BRICS Plus aims to reform global institutions to give developing countries more power. They also want to create a more balanced global financial system, reduce dependency on the US dollar, and promote trade among themselves.
Are BRICS countries creating their own currency?
There have been talks about creating a shared currency or a new payment system. For now, they are working on tools like BRICS Pay, a digital platform that allows members to trade without relying on the dollar.
How do the members work together?
BRICS countries meet every year at summits where their leaders discuss important issues. They also collaborate through projects like the New Development Bank, which supports infrastructure and development.
What does the New Development Bank do?
The New Development Bank gives loans to BRICS countries and other developing nations. These loans are used for projects like building roads, power plants, and schools.
Do the BRICS countries always agree?
Not always. For example, China and India sometimes have political tensions, which can make cooperation difficult. However, they focus on shared economic goals to keep the group united.
How is trade between BRICS countries?
Trade within BRICS is growing. They exchange goods like oil, technology, food, and machinery. Strengthening trade helps them reduce reliance on Western markets.
What are the challenges BRICS faces?
One challenge is the diversity of its members. They have different political systems, economies, and priorities. Another challenge is ensuring that the group remains united as it grows larger.
Why is BRICS important for the world?
BRICS countries represent a large part of the global population and economy. They are creating alternatives to traditional global systems, giving more power to developing nations.
How will BRICS grow in the future?
BRICS plans to expand further by inviting more countries to join. It also aims to strengthen its economic ties and develop new systems for global trade and finance. However, success depends on how well the members work together despite their differences.
How can I learn more about BRICS?
You can follow news about their annual summits, read updates on their official websites, or explore articles about their projects and goals.
Thank you for explaining everything. I learned so much about BRICS today.
You're welcome. BRICS is an important group shaping the future of the world. Keep asking questions and learning more.